All right, this is my original Scrub Daddy. These are my favorite sponges. The only sponges that I use. Not only are they adorable, but they actually, the features are, they work for something. So the eyeballs, you can put your fingers in and get to the bottom of a glass without, you know, trying to wiggle your whole hand in there. The mouth is to clean both sides of a utensil. See the deep cleaning? Dishwasher safe, scratch free. They don't get stinky like other sponges because you can put them in the dishwasher. They seem to just not hold that mildew smell as bad. When they're in warm water, they're soft, and then in cold water, they're firm, kind of like how they are in the package. You know, he's pretty firm, and they're adorable. But not only are they adorable, they work really well. I love these for doing my dishes. I don't use the dishwasher a ton. I like to do my dishes by hand. So yeah, scratch free, resists odors. The original Scrub Daddy is the way to go.